Howdy, friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve Depoe, Realtor, with the Rose Realty Team. Today's Texas Real Estate Answers topic, selling with pets, tips that work. If you're a pet owner thinking about selling your home, here's the truth. Not every buyer is a dog lover or a cat lover. And even the ones who are, they don't want to smell, see, or hear signs of your pet when touring your house. It's not personal. It's just psychology. I'm Steve Depoe, Realtor, with the Rose Realty Team here in Denton County, Texas. And if you're planning to sell a home where a dog, cat, or other animal lives, today's video is for you. We're going to cover a few simple but powerful tips to make sure your pets don't sabotage your sale and might even help you stand out in this competitive market. Let's start with the biggest challenge, pet odors. You may not notice them. Maybe you've gone nose blind, but buyers will. A home that smells like a dog bed, cat litter, or even a hamster cage can turn off a buyer in seconds. The solution? Deep clean everything. That means carpets, upholstery, air vents, yes, even your HVAC system. If the smell lingers, consider hiring a professional. It's an investment that pays off. Second, pet hair and dander. It's everywhere, and trust me, buyers will notice. Whether it's clinging to curtains or floating across hardwood floors, it sends the message that the home hasn't been well maintained. We always recommend having a professional cleaner come through before photos and showings. And if your pet sheds a lot, plan to vacuum daily while the home is listed. Now let's talk about showings. This is a big one in Denton County, especially with our busy market. If possible, take your pet with you during showings. Even better, arrange for daycare, ask a neighbor or a family member to help. Or even your listing agent if they have concierge service. Leaving a barking dog crated in the laundry room while buyers tour the home? That's not a great first impression. It creates stress, distraction, and frankly, it can shorten the showing time. And don't forget the yard. If your dog has worn paths in the grass or there's visible pet waste out back, it's a red flag. Buyers want to imagine their own family and their own pets playing in the yard. So keep it clean, green, and fresh. One more thing, repair pet damage before listing. That means scratched doors, chewed trim, or carpet stains. These details matter. A buyer may not care that your dog chewed the windowsill, but they'll definitely use it as a reason to negotiate the price down or walk away. Now here's a bonus tip. Use your pet to create connection, not distraction. A tasteful framed photo of your golden retriever by the fireplace? That's fine. But bowls, toys, crates, and litter boxes? Those should all be tucked away before every showing. In short, selling a home with pets in Denton County is absolutely doable, but it requires a bit more strategy. You don't want buyers walking away distracted by a barking dog, lingering smells, or fur on their clothes. And that's where we come in. We help sellers navigate these details every day. From pre-listing prep to showing schedules that work around your pet's routine, our goal is to make the process stress-free for everyone in the household, including the four-legged ones. I'm Steve Depoe with the Rose Realty Team, serving homeowners throughout Denton County, Texas. If you're thinking about selling and wondering how to manage your pets in the process, reach out. We'd be honored to guide you through every step. Wait 2 seconds for our contact information.